plantains, and that's fried catfish. Garlic parm fries. Oh, those fries look fantastic. Grilled jerk chicken and fried chicken. And check this out. You can get a seat over here. I don't know why people aren't using it. But doesn't that look a lot more luxurious than the rest of the seats? Yeah. Ooh, that meat looks good. Okay, now I don't remember. This doesn't look like a seafood buffet. This looks like something else. Baked chicken, sausage and peppers, pollock, seafood campagno. I've never heard of it. Don't know what it is. I know I botched it. Don't worry about it. Sue me. And then chicken and free money up here. Look at that. What are we tipping the sous chef at the buffet now? Come on, man. Wow, this is getting out of control. Okay, it is Wednesday at supper time, almost 6 o'clock. So what buffet did I just see? Okay, I'm trying to find the price for the one I just showed you. Yesterday was Fiesta Night, $35.99. That looks pretty good, actually. And there's Saturday, Aloha. Saturday and Sunday champagne brunch, $36.99. That's 9 till 2. I think you have to pay extra for the mimosas. Mondays is the deli night, which would really suck. That's just a bunch of sandwiches for $35.99. Come on, let's get to Wednesday. Show me Wednesday. So this sign cycled all the way through every day of the week except Wednesday, and today is Wednesday. I don't know why they're not telling me what the name of this buffet is. All the rest of them have a name. I want to know the name and the price. There's a lot of meat. Some kind of, maybe it's a world buffet or something. See, there's Tuesday Fiesta, which looks like a really good deal, $35.99. That might be the one to get. Tuesdays. It's one of the cheaper ones, but it also has all the stuff I like. And I'm sure you like it too. Yeah, they're not going to tell me what's tonight. I'm actually going to have to talk to a person. Ugh, I hate doing that. No. Okay, I had to ask somebody. It's $36, which is one of their cheaper nights, and to me it looked pretty damn good. I forgot to show you those damn desserts. You could sell desserts right here. No one would stop you. I mean, they would eventually, but I mean, the most you'd get was maybe 30 days in jail. And you'd probably be able to sell about $3,000 worth of desserts. Anyway, so it has no theme name. That's why it's not on the banner. That was very weird. I said, what's the theme? What's the name of the buffet tonight? She said, it has no name. It's just open. She called it open. It's just regular food or something like that. And I said, okay. Well, how much is it? She said $36 plus tax. Yeah, I'd say Tuesday and Wednesday is the best buffets out here for the price. They're both $36. And both with really simple but good food. I actually like fried catfish, and the fried catfish, it looked real good. And those Parm French fries, wow. I gotta figure out how to make those.